Yeah, we come bright today. You notice?
It's good.
It's good, though. Be keeping it like this. I don't know which filter when I use, but keep it like this.
Always brighten up.
Always brighten us up.
Like this, yes.
Because I don't know other people then go be like say the yellow pass. Us we go black.
We'll come
Why?
black. Nani Baba. Because it's black.
You want to do us some that be say that. Turn me as I be.
So because of that, the way it say be, so you want the always extend them to us, but we have refused. We have refused. Ani Baba.
We have yellow today.
But more not to talk on. I for back today.
No verse. Sorry, no verse. Welcome to Paddy Paddy. My name na Mayowa, in name na Ogbolo, and it's a Wednesday, the day where we bring your problem back to you. Yeah, because when you give it to us, we give it back to you.
Yes.
That is the thing. Yes. Except that we give it back to you with Jara on top, because we don't talk on top.
Yes. Only one song 9 day for that thing. Baby, if you give it to me.
Yes, I give it to you. We know what you want at the end of the day. Yeah. So that is it. What's up. That is the thing. Welcome aboard. Will they go break or not?
We'll go break.
Okay, so let's go on a short break. Will they come back? Why are you coughing? And we are back. So,
you're just a naughty boy. Very naughty. Who says that? Who says that to a grown man like me?
He's old.
Old people, and then they talk that. You're a naughty boy.
You're just a naughty boy. Sometimes. Let me even bust your bubble. Sometimes when my mama do something, when my papa no like, and maybe they don't king for their side, they can't finish. You know, my father still looks at her and tell her, "Very naughty girl." And I look at her like, what did I just witness? No, please, somebody unwitness that thing from my eye. What did I just... I'm telling you, see, look at a very naughty girl. I'm like, she'll come say, Eda Kunjo.
But people their own way of doing things that year. Only say this year, these times. You got
as in the first time when the thing happened, it shocked me. I tell my sister say, okay, now the first time when they say I'm be this, I say, wow, you've been experiencing this thing. I didn't know.
Maybe last now, so you know to experience that.
No. I was naughty girl. She told that, they off me.
All right.
Final offing.
Tori Wednesday.
Yeah. So let's now tell you.
I see one familiar one, yeah.
Very familiar, yeah? I was admitted to study law years ago, but due to my GP, what will be the full meaning of GP again?
Guarantee people.
Ogbolo said guarantee people.
That means they ask gross percentage.
I won't guarantee people. You go just talk the first thing will come your head.
It's how it is. It's how it will work on me.
Gross percentage. So I was admitted to study law years ago, but due to my gross percentage, that one everybody they call it GP. No, wait it up.
I just talk.
You say gross percentage now.
I just talk it. Continue.
If you know the full meaning of GP, send them come our Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. The first person to send them gets a recharge card from me.
Wow.
Yes, I know, but I won't tell you.
GP.
So if you know it, they go quick Google.
GP, are you with me?
Oh yeah, we are the church, we're going nowhere. All right, but due to my GP, I had to change to religious studies. Your GP must be really
low.
Must
be heavily low.
From law to religious studies. Wow.
Oh, no.
Wow. I had to change to religious studies in my second year. I even had an extra year. But I framed a lie to cover it.
So now, what's going to happen now?
I didn't tell my parents all this while. They believe their son is a lawyer. Wow.
You are scamming.
My convocation is closed, and I have to invite my parents. What can I do? I'm so scared of telling them. They have gone as far as securing a job for me.
In the multitude of lies. My brother. See. I feel like they in school, make I witness it.
There's one song I want to sing for you.
Oh, yeah, sing it.
Wafe kulale.
Oh, blood. Oh, blood.
Wafe kulale.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, man.
Chill, baby. Mo sing the song for her. Mo do rap for her.
You were sent to school to study law, child of the world. You have joined bad gang. You were sent to school to study law, child of the world. You have joined bad gang. Unfortunately for you, your GP very low. You carry yourself. You went to enter religious studies. With extra year. You didn't tell your parents. Wow. I tried to help you, but it's more difficult. Child of the world. You are spoiled to the core. You have joined bad gang. You have joined secret core. What the fine boys have joined gang. Okay, see the remix now.
Oh, Lord.
See the remix now.
As a remix of the order.
That is the thing.
Oh, Lord.
Uncle, this one, I don't know what to tell you. Wow. You lucky say when you send me this email, you know put your number. I for personally call your daddy. And tell your daddy that, Dad, that job you are securing, please give it to somebody that needs it.
Unsecure it.
This your son.
You have joined full bad guy.
Yes. He didn't really know where it was.
No, this one.
School, you're a dropout.
This for this case, it just be like who they say every day for the thief, one day for the owner.
They don't catch
every day for the liar, one day for the revelation.
Yeah.
For this one now, you know the lie they come, so now revelation has to come. You see, that's the problem with lying. With every lie you tell, you use another lie cover.
Yes.
With every lie, until one day.
You know, you for just talk on that time, truth. Your GP, they go just make noise, keep quiet, no verse, keep quiet. Therefore, no. Now, how many years?
You go face Amo. You know what you want.
Your parents, that means you don't collect legal fee money.
Yes.
You don't collect this one. The one we can even pay them, they say you don't collect money, lawyer money, go school.
So you don't live large, but you are living a lie. You don't live large things, but you don't live lie. So now you have to face it. You don't get how. You must face them. And
you see, don't ask us what you can do.
No. There's nothing
because
to do.
Again, I have just one song for you. I try to help you, but it's more difficult. Child of the world, you are spoiled to the core. You know, you have joined bad gang. Yeah. You have joined something like a what? Secret cult.
Yes, so please, we will there here. We are on the very. We will tell you the truth, and the truth be say, come out and tell the truth.
Yes.
You understand? Talk the truth.
Before convocation, better tell them.
Before convocation, tell them.
So that if you go and rent parents, you go.
If not to go rent parents. Hey God. Religious studies. Tell them say you want to be pastor.
Yes, that is the thing.
You want to be mom.
Or you want to impact religious knowledge into people. Tell them that you've decided to impact religious knowledge into people.
Yes.
And that is your calling. Respect yourself and talk.
Yes. So do your religious studies and do it with pride.
The religious studies, girl, I hope you graduate well.
Because you saw your GP can do well. Even if you got, you saw your GP can be low. If you go do religious studies, GP can low join, my brother. See, don't just.
Body counts going way up.
That means school is not for you.
It's not for you. It's not for you. Go and do internship.
Just learn something. People they learn work now. You can learn. You can do hairdressing.
Yeah, go and do internship in FRS.
You wear uniform. Don't worry, my brother. See, we dey laugh like this, because there's end results for every lie.
We were one students, but your own too much.
Your own too much. Even though we do,
your own too much.
You're doing what?
People they cover extra year, but your own
my brethren.
You cover full course. Wow.
And your parents will tell your friends, say, my son is a lawyer.
He's a lawyer. They don't even collect jobs.
No, he's a religious.
Now the slap your father they give you, now they imagine. Now they give me laugh.
Anyway, the next story. This one is very familiar. Very familiar story. I took a loan believing that when I am paid my salary, I will pay back.
Okay.
Unfortunately, my full salary was not paid. Immediately, I got the alert. I quickly withdrew the little salary for survivor. The guys I got the loan from are on my neck. I have explained to them, show them the statement of my salary, but they feel I am lying. Please, what can I do to clear the air?
You will beg.
I am confused.
You will beg, Neo. Keep begging.
My brother.
Keep begging.
You see, that one where you go collect, that little one you collect.
You for come out small, at least give them, make them take whole body first. Then I say, I'll give you the balance.
You see?
But you never give them anything, Uncle Yusef. How much you want take whole body?
You can't get the mind, you can't show the secret of...
Why these people just make us laugh today now?
They pay me small. Not be saying, I can't withdraw that small, so make I just survive. My brother. See, the Coco be say, for those of now when they, collect a loan and everything, it's a 50-50 thing. Things like this, they happen. I said, well, this is why I talk, say this is very familiar. I know people when they this matter now, but the truth be say, then... So they don't. So you see, you have to beg. Oh, yeah, from experience, tell them what you do.
Every morning, before those people wake up, now my text, then they go first say, please, I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to. It's the situation of things. Please, I'm sorry.
Next month will not be like this.
In the afternoon, please, I just want to remind you of the sorry that I saw in the morning.
But you have to be humble.
You reach one stage, they say, now wait till my about we don't hear.
We don't hear.
We don't hear. You follow them, we call. Please, I just want to beg you that I'm sorry.
No, you have to beg. Oh.
You have to beg. Oh.
Because everybody understands
begging.
the wahala for the country now.
Yes, now.
Yes. And so, if you see no happen like that on a normal day, they don't say you never the faults they come since. But this one can happen like this based on your company when they pay you money.
I promise that as soon as I lay my hands on any funds,
yes,
I'll give the uncle you yourself. The
no.
money they give you cannot even remove small and say, help me hold this one.
You like embarrassment
everything.
too.
You can't get liar. You get boldness.
To show
them the statement of your salary.
They pay me 50%.
Uncle, you are not all right.
They don't pay me full salary. So Cindy, look at the problem. You say, get mine. Mayors.
Uncle, again, I will sing for you. I try to help you, but it's more difficult.
This country, Nigeria. Oh, Lord. Nigeria.
Things fall apart.
The other room. The other room.
My brother, at the end of the day.
The other room. Mo go break with the comeback. Alibaba, go break before you kill yourself. Go.
You know, pure. No more worry. We dey gist our own gist. We'll come back to the show. No worry
yourself. As no fit send people, I want to read.
Make we just dey discuss. More dey treat am for here. Meanwhile, thank you so much, Purple Fashions. Thank you so much for my lovely, lovely, lovely heels. I love them.
Thank you so much, Kinabuti.
Thank you so much for this.
Kinabuti, God bless you.
This is gorgeousness defined.
Kinabuti, thank you for my jacket.
Thank you.
Kinabuti.
Thank you, Laide. I love you.
Thank you, Kinabuti. Thank you for my jacket.
Okay. So, my friend husband.
Hey!
Is keeping secret relationship. Listen to this part. With our landlord house girl. That means it's a compound house.
Yeah.
Abi?
No, it's a compound house.
Another neighbor, now they talk this one because him and the woman, then they relate. Two neighbors, woman. Now husband of one of the neighbors, now in the Lalovio landlord house girl. You understand? So now she they complain. Now she can't say, please, how can I solve this matter? Because it's paining me. I'm unhappy to what is happening to my friend. Auntie, Gbonomi Deleru. You know where is Gbonomi Deleru? It's my Gbona is Deleru. It means...
My Gbona is what?
It's Deleru.
It's Deleru.
Wait.
All right.
Wait. Let me tell you. Auntie, if you go and talk, if you go and fire your head.
Catapult.
But this is what you can do. This is what I will do. Especially if we are really close, and even if you are not close, you know, injustice, you maybe especially make come be say the man can't treat the woman bad, and you know. Even though I only love you, then they love you. But even at that, she said she don't even catch them. They do you know, some kind of
really?
wow. They do other room things. You get? This is what I will do. I will paint a scenario where that auntie will come and sit by herself.
Okay, go set up.
And since now me, they always see. So I don't know the time. So I go just create a scenario.
Just create scenario.
So how you now create it is up to you.
Yes.
But create it with sense. I will create a scenario that the auntie will now come and visualize the injustice that is being done to her body parts. That is the thing. You understand? That thing that they have said is for better, for worse. That thing that is for her, that they say hold it and hold it well. I will create a scenario that it can be revealed where it has been going and coming out from.
Kadale.
That is the thing.
Anyway, the woman has spoken. She has given a solution to it. What if that one called the man say, oh, God?
Or you know, say me, I like recording where. I love recording where. I will call the house girl. Tell her that, Auntie house girl, I know. I go put down for speaker. Auntie house girl, I know. Don't lie to me. For how long have you been doing this? How many times have you been doing this? I'll go and buy new SIM. Anonymous. Forward it where I was up. Make she hear.
Aye.
Oh, see, there are ways you don't have to put your mouth and talk. If you talk, they beat you.
You must not be present. You understand? You can just form anonymous.
Yeah, and then when she come and tell you that, look what happened, like,
really?
Really?
What?
Wow.
This world is evil.
It's so bad.
You understand? So, be a smart person. Wisdom is profitable for all.
Or you can take a picture and again send as anonymous. It's okay.
Exactly. So from there, life continue.
That's why we all have smartphones. Yes, sir. Come about down noise so that we will not down noise while we have solo record.
Yes, what she says is true.
That's it.
Yes. Okay. So anyhow,
and then some people go they look say, hey, this man,
hey. But that means that house girl has to.
Not really. Some men, you just be.
Some men, no be lying. Some men, they will see pencil, they will see follow the pencil, they will see leave the facts.
It's not really by like that.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this point we're going on not a small break.
Laugh. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. Mayowa Ekpo Ogbolo on Instagram. Mayowa Lambe Funny Ogbolo on Twitter. YouTube.com/Wazobia TV NG. Look for Paddy Paddy. Same thing for Facebook.com/Wazobia TV NG. Search for Paddy Paddy. And don't forget to vote for the Eloy Award.
Yes, please vote. Tell them.
Vote. Just go www.exquisitemag.com. Click on Eloy 2016. Go to category of Best on Air Personality. Click on Mayowa Wazobia FM and vote. Thank you.
Love all of you. God bless you. See you tomorrow. Peace, y'all. Peace.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.